The ag industry is a booming place to be, but I want to make sure that you're in the right place in that industry. Next Wednesday and Thursday, I'm going to be speaking at the Texas FFA Convention. My workshop is, what color is your combine? 3 surefire steps to picking the right trade or major and career that's a good fit for you. So some of you are already contemplating your majors and your trades. So I want you to be aware of some of your options in the ag industry when you're picking your majors. You have ag business, ag economics, ag education, ag communications, ag leadership, and animal science. But I want to make sure that they fit your personality. So come to my workshop. Come to my booth. It's number 916, Fuller Agriculture Coaching. I look forward to helping you be successful. We are going to have tons of fun.